Over the years, DOMS has been able to earn its place in the hearts of the young people across the globe. With an incredible array spanning over 20 plus subcategories and more than 650 unique products, DOMS has continually met and exceeded the ever-evolving desires of its consumers. When we considered expanding into the writing instruments, we dove deep into the market landscape and listened closely to what you, the consumers, wanted. Our research uncovered significant gaps in the writing experience, things like grip comfort, writing tip precision, and even the weight of the pens. That is when we decided to create the finest ballpoint pen at an unbeatable price, making it accessible to everyone. Crafting the perfect pen isn't just about the looks, it's about innovation and precision. Our journey began with our dedicated R&D and design teams, who poured their passion into every detail. From concept to creation, every step was driven by our mission to redefine the writing experience. Next, we ramped up the production with cutting-edge technology to ensure efficiency and quality, resulting in a revolutionary pen with low viscosity ink for a smoother, effortless flow, vacuum-based centrifuged refill ensuring the ink never stops midway, needle tip for the finest handwriting and an exceptional writing experience, soft rubberized grip designed for extended writing sessions providing comfort and reducing the finger strain, aerodynamic sleek design that complements faster, easier writing. It's nice. Now let's make it even lighter. Hours, days, months, years pass by, trying to reach a quality beyond perfection. But in the end, it's always worth every effort, delivering a masterpiece, the perfect pen, DOMS INXON.